Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about how to think in English. You can remember that I already made a video on this topic, but someone said me that when she is trying to think in English, her words are disappeared. Actually, exactly that happens to everyone, even to me at the first time. So, what did I do then? Actually, I was translate every sentence Bengali to English. And when my words are disappear, I search in the dictionary. This time we don't have Google. So I have to search in the dictionary. And nowadays, when I am trying to speak in English, think in English, and my words are in disappear, I also search in the Google or anything else. But I have said that this is wrong method, but it is the first step. At first, you have to translate because you don't have enough word yet. You can't think in English without vocabulary. So you have to improve your vocabulary. So how do we improve our vocabulary? This is most important question. This is our most important problem to speak in English or any language. Uh, so I will suggest you start from your body. Know every part in English: head, eyes, chin, hand, leg, etc. But when you know this word, you have to make short sentences. That's like, this is my hand. I am washing my hand. This is short sentences make your English easy. Then go to the items that we are used daily, like phone, plate, or cooking utensils, and make sentence for every word. Second step is group word and visualize. That means you have to know the word of group wise, like you have to know first vegetables or all utensils. Learn about the words by category, like vegetables, clothes, kitchen utensils, or etc. And if you see the tomato, then say, make sentence with tomato. This is tomato, and I like to eat tomato. That's all. Third step is thought in English. The third step is make short thought habit. What is this? During the day, talk to yourself in English. When you are wake up, say to yourself, I am waking up. When you cook, said, I am cooking rice or boiling water or making curry. I am making aloo curry, etc. And there is a problem, that is, when we start thought in English, we forget the words. And then come fourth step is use mini tool, like know or learn five words of your daily life and make short sentence about with this word and revise when you at night when you go to the bed. These are the very small steps, but small steps, but small practice builds big fluency. But we have to remember one thing: think in English is not a magic. It it is a habit. Habit grow with small daily steps. So try these four steps for 7 days, and after that comment me how do you improve in your fluency. That's all. I am trying these four steps, and I feel that I am really improved in fluency because you uh, you can uh, compare with uh, my first video before 25 days, and this video is I am improving in English, and I become more confident than the first day. That's all. How do you like this video? Please comment me. And you people who are also trying to speak English fluently, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.